Hello guys, welcome back to Healthiest TV. Here I bring to you lifestyle, DIY natural hair recipes, travels and motherhood content. So if you like videos like this, please do consider subscribing, turn on your post notification button so that you always be notified whenever I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a hearty and absolutely delicious, easy to prepare vegetable potatoes with chicken recipes. It is very wholesome and filling, perfect for family dinners or meal prep for the week. So let's jump right in. Here's what you need. You need potatoes peeled and diced, chicken cut into bite-sized pieces, veggies. For my veggies, I'll be using carrots diced into thin strips, broccoli foliates, green beans, minced ginger and garlic, onion and tomatoes. You could also use any vegetable of your choice and the chicken broth. I started by boiling my chicken with seasoning to taste, then chopped and diced my veggies. Also, I peeled and diced my Irish potatoes as well before proceeding to frying it using my air fryer. Set it aside. Then when my chicken was properly cooked, I air fried them as well and also set them aside. Now I added a little olive oil to the pot, toast in my onions, garlic, ginger and tomatoes. Then I went in with my veggies. Stir everything together and let it saute for about 5 minutes until fragrant. Then I added in my semi-fried potatoes and chicken, poured in the chicken broth and added a little bit of water and gave it a very good mix. I covered and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the potatoes are tender and the flavors are combined beautifully. This vegetable potatoes and chicken recipe is very healthy, a great balanced diet as well as comforting as it gets. It can be served as a great dinner or lunch. It is quite filling. Be sure to give it a try and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Until I come your way next time, it's your girl Eko Jane signing out. Bye.